Alright, language explorers. So, let's have a look at today's Saturday phrasal verbs. So, let down. Let down. Oh, to be disappointed in some way. Oh, yeah, disappointed. Ugh. Here. There we are. Ugh. Disappointed in some way. Or to move something to a lower place. Yeah. He might let me down. Yeah, it's like this. Feeling like this. He said he might do something, but he will let her down. He will let her down. Something was supposed to happen. It didn't happen. Oh. Yeah, we all feel let down by their actions. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah. Yeah. We're going to let it down gently. Like maybe a balloon. A balloon, for example, yeah. We're going to let the balloon down gently. Yeah. We will let it down. I will let it fall down gently. Yes. Put it down to a lower place. Yeah. Let it down now. Yeah. Help me get down. Yeah. Help me get down. Not quite the same, like to walk down, to step off something. Yeah. We let the balloon down slowly. I'm careful not to let her down yet again. Yeah. I don't want to let her down. No. No. When I say I'm going to do something, I will do it. When I say I am going to do something, then I will do it. I don't let people down. Yeah, no. I do not like to let people down. No way. Definitely, yeah. Don't let her down again. Don't disappoint her again. No. No. You lose respect. Respect in people's eyes when you let them down. Ugh. If you let people down too often, they will lose interest in you. Yeah, ugh, they'll lose trust. Oh, again. Oh, yeah. Let down. Yeah. Yeah, so how cool is that, language explorer? So let down. Now, can you use let down in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.